Hi there, welcome to Yoodesk. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to set up your height adjustable desk. Quick, safe and easy. Start by unboxing everything and laying it out neatly on a flat surface. Now first, tighten the foot panels securely with a screw. Tighten them forward inside your foundation. Now fix the side bracket to the top of each column. These will support your desktop layout. Use 2 screws per side and keep them evenly tightened. This is your hexagon bar. Loosen the bar slightly. Next, insert the hexagon bar in this spot. Okay, it does not fit into the other bar. This connects the two sides and ensures both legs move evenly. Use the provided screws to fix the frame into the tabletop. Tighten each gradually to avoid shifting. Now let's tighten cup holder and hook properly. Also please tighten the handset properly. That's it. Your Yoodesk is ready. Work better, live better, design in India, build for better work.